Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to zoom in on a video using keyframes. For this, you need to have a video in your timeline and then click on this inspector tab. The first thing you need to remember is the zoom parameter, which is currently 1, so the image is normal sized. We'll be increasing this zoom parameter from 1 using the keyframes. So let's put this playhead over to a place within your video, and then let's click on this keyframe icon, this little diamond icon that you can see over here. So we've started this zoom in, and then let's move this playhead over to few seconds after, and then add a second keyframe, and right after you add a second keyframe, increase the zoom here as much as you like. Okay, let's put it 2 times. So the image is zoomed at 2 times the original size. Let's see the result. But what if you just want to zoom in for a few seconds and then again zoom back? Then you need to add second pair of keyframes to this clip. For this, let's see the keyframes that you've added by clicking on this keyframe tab at the toolbar. These are the keyframes that we initially added. This keyframe has value 1, and then this second keyframe has value 2, which tells the software that from this point to this point the zoom should be increasing from 1 to 2. So similarly we need to again decrease the zoom from 2 to 1. So let's put this playhead a few seconds after the zoom, and then we can copy this keyframe and then paste it over here. So this keyframe has value 2, and then again let's move this playhead and then copy the keyframe with value 1. Now I'll be playing this.